Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ace Attorney in Roblox. To begin, open the Roblox application on your computer or mobile device. Once loaded, navigate to the search bar, typically found at the top of the screen. Type Ace Attorney into the search field and press Enter. You will see several fan-made games. Choose one with many active players and positive reviews for the best experience. Make sure your internet connection is strong for seamless participation in trials and investigations. The core gameplay involves two main phases, investigation and trial. During investigations, you will explore various locations, talk to characters, and collect pieces of evidence. Pay close attention to dialogue and environmental details. In the courtroom, your goal is to defend your client by cross-examining witnesses and presenting the correct evidence to expose lies. Remember to use your objection and hold it commands wisely to challenge statements. Interacting with the game world is straightforward. You'll use typical Roblox movement controls, often the WASD keys on a keyboard or a virtual joystick on mobile. To examine objects or speak with non-player characters, simply click or tap on them. Your collected evidence is stored in an in-game log, usually accessible via a button on your screen. Always keep an eye out for on-screen prompts that guide you through investigations and trials. To truly excel, always read every line of dialogue and examine every location with great care. Crucial details are often hidden in plain sight or subtle conversations. Before presenting evidence, take a moment to consider how it directly contradicts a witness's statement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pieces of evidence if you are stuck. With a little practice, you will soon be a master attorney, solving complex cases with ease.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.